Hey there everyone, here on the Valor channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete this profile picture on TikTok. So what you do is go into a browser and type TikTok default profile picture. Click on the image and then just hold on it. We just need to download it. Then click Save to Gallery. Next, open TikTok. Here we go. Press and hold the icon. Tap Edit Photo. Select our photo from the list. We'll tweak it a bit here. And then tap Save. And that's it. This was Valor. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.